And good morning. It's 10:30 in the morning. It's a snowy day. Got a nice snowstorm going. It's all snow. It hasn't turned to freezing rain yet, fortunately. I'm supposed to be leaving for class in about 90 minutes. I have one single class to take, but I don't think I'm gonna go. It's a decent amount of snow. It's a little difficult to see. And not sure if you noticed, but turn the camera. The time is supposed to be displayed on that unit up here, and it's not. We have no power. Pan it down. It's supposed to be saying 12 o'clock, because I don't like to change the time on that thing. The power's out, and obviously my computers aren't on, which you can clearly tell, except for this one, the MacBook, because it runs on batteries. So I think I'm gonna head downstairs and do some bowling. Do some bowling in the basement. Film that until the batteries are pretty close to dead. Then just simply wait for the power to come back on, which could be anywhere from an hour to 6 hours. Don't know when they're gonna turn us back on, but I'm sure there's a lot of places without power right now, so we could be going without power for a while. So I'm really bored, and geeks do not like being in the dark, whether it be at night or when you have no power. And obviously, I'm still just waking up. The power went out at 10:05, so we've already been out without power for almost a half hour. I could call someone, but the battery on my cell phone was running low, and the thing is, I don't know who to call. So I'm just really tired. I'm still waking up. Been up since 9:30, and I do not like getting up early before the alarm goes off. Even though I never set my alarm. So I think I'm just gonna do whatever for now. Probably won't go to class. It's saying the college isn't even plowed yet. So chances of me going are pretty low. I don't want to risk it. So should be seeing some bowling in the basement videos up once I get the power back. Or if I end up going to class, I'll upload it right over there. So just felt like making this short video just to, tell you guys what's going on. I'm usually online all the time when I'm awake. Like, I do not like being offline. I'm an internet junkie. I'm an internet addict, and I like it. Oh, what to do today? besides shoveling for 2 hours just to get the driveway cleared. Probably got like a good 7 inches of snow, even though they're only predicting like 4 last night. It's ridiculous. Looks like the snow is starting to lighten up some. Could also be turning over to some sleet freezing rain with that snow. And obviously that's not a good thing. So yeah. This is Bull Forever, just telling you guys what's going on. And so I'll be seeing you guys pretty soon. Hopefully I'll have a new actual bowling video up the next few weeks. Once I get some extra money that I can use. And perhaps a couple of new coupons in the mail. Probably won't be getting those till January. And that's the only thing. But I still have the online coupons, $2 a game. And that'll just keep me going. I'm trying to get myself bowling as much as I can. So when I return in the summer, I'll have my game back, because I've lost a pretty good amount of it. Hopefully I can get it back before the summer starts. So, be seeing you guys later.